Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Nana Akomea.
Nana, na okay. Nyama na menua penyi kwesi kan nya. Na mena na ya dwen. Ya tie ne say request na speaker here so be soldiers. They bent over backwards. That just said nanka omani msanyane kwano. But they bent over backwards. Obibeka say a goodwill. But with hindsight, Obi Owo 12 police officers. No say soldier for account. I mean the list is as I was assessing what security needs in Kwa ebe merit another 4 soldiers.
16, I think.
Speaker. We free speaker who any high political officer. Not say security chair who is how do the people get to you? Nana. Say a speaker bagbin ba mo studio ha. Na police for 4, 5. Any general pronoun. How do you if ubabechianupo, how do you do it? Inti enokra no alienate the politician from the people. Well, emboa democracy. Especially when the security people are in full uniform. Many times, almost of people, full uniform. What is the point? But he made a request, and Niatian said the Ministry of Defense bent over backwards to accommodate him. Well, they don't see a problem. We have to stick to standard procedure. So request a toss should be explained to the speaker or whichever public official. Say would there be with there and can't share the home. But he said NDC for Kwaka a part of his conditions of service. Yeah, free honor. There's a violating speaker conditions of service. But obviously, Bijidi says our explanation is all coming to show say Abai has no Obroni Abai edin ne time. Nanako nanayo.
Papa.
Abai has no malice towards the speaker. Say me can say Abai ni hu adwen bone. So until your original request no cry na nsesenka ye the mouth, but out of goodwill ye the mouth. And beyond military detail ya will be say the mouth we cry. Other times now to kwanya. And no cry no we request now, even though other speakers didn't have it. Yeah, the mouth be a presidential jet so just to show say charge na NDC for cancer a buying MP speaker sem na you say a gargano you say a compromising security. They want to show say ntisa na rather no they must show goodwill towards him. But still no excessive. Look, one day I'm Gina radio station be giddy block kwai hey asembea ka bid na mafo dwane amonso omo pass e ba behwe Charlotte say ba obe interview radio station soldiers the then electoral commissioner and then the next electoral commissioner so the security detail emu amoka na kenka
Adin
it should be possible. Then I would have found the post office bia. so be person any bibia. It should be possible to provide security. And yet to say na yewa war zone, to say Boko Haram baha na say Al Qaeda baha. It should be possible to still provide security which is discreet. Now be huna police for kuta minister's shoes ni handbag. And any danger. So I'm sure I'm minister no danger in police.
Wait me asleep.
Wait me asleep. And any danger no. Tell me how far full soldiers see back Ukraine. Mucha they can't be. We have to be mindful of these things. And now it sends a wrong signal to the Nipana Etuaba Mayeno. Because obi wo hoda ni area otina sematono na unya police ni bipo na as a sematono no hu se wa wato abama akoye MP akoye minister ana hwan na police for 2-3 di wachia. How would they feel? And it's next time kwa na now obi try budget amount unim the elections baba na say ukọ microphone na so say muntu abama wa uka wasem nya wie na wo na pebo de kwan beba na de light beba na obebua na school aba uka ni nya wie no much else say a year na na yo asema kan nya yate abana ya to mawa ukwa rent allowance dollars say near the amount 4-wheel drive Land Cruiser V8 back home near the amount S Gracia we are Bosomi say any the amount sitting allowance per diem you're calculating in your the amount. And now come the police in the soldiers class so better so amount. Since you tomorrow away numia na okwagonya. And those who can be sure. It also fuels some monetization of our politics. When politicians you talk about mount na fe pex no na pump na pageantry. And to only pana analysis on to abama wa. I don't know no share. No so also can be sure. See we are near soon. But until I want to so and so ni bi no.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.